There are two methods to install the camera to the network: Wi-Fi protected setup mode and access point mode. WPS mode requires your router to have a WPS button. A computer, tablet, or smartphone is required to connect using access point mode. For ease of installation, set up the camera near or next to your router. It is highly recommended to connect the camera to the wireless network prior to mounting it in its final location. Begin by connecting the camera's AC power adapter and plugging it into a power point socket. To connect using WPS mode, hold down the WPS button and release when the LED begins to flash blue. Now press the WPS button on your router. The LED will be solid green when the connection is complete. To connect using access point mode, hold down the WPS button and release when the LED begins to flash white. Now on an internet-enabled device, search for available wireless networks. Then connect to the wireless network beginning with alarm followed by 6 digits. Using the same device, open a web browser and enter the URL displayed. Select the language for the wireless setup instructions. Now click on Scan for Wi-Fi networks. Select the network that the camera will connect to. If the Wi-Fi network requires a password, enter it in the security key field. Click on Save to connect the camera to the access point. The LED will be solid green when the connection is complete. Now the camera needs to be added to your ADT Interactive account. Log into ADT Interactive and select Video. Then click on Settings. Click the link displayed to add the camera. This will bring you to the device setup page. To install a new device when there is already an existing device installed, select Add Video Device from the Video Settings menu. Once you are on the video device setup page, name the video device. Click the Install button to add the camera. The device will be listed once the installation is complete.